Ready to unlock a world of free nights and exclusive travel perks? This is your ultimate guide to understanding the Marriott Bonvoy credit card in Canada. First, know your options. In Canada, Marriott Bonvoy credit cards are primarily offered through American Express and sometimes Chase, though Chase is less common. We'll focus on the Amex options here as they are more widely available. The American Express Bonvoy cards typically come in various tiers, each with different annual fees and benefits. Now, let's break down what to look for. Pay attention to the annual fee. Is it worth the benefits you'll receive? Then, check the welcome bonus. How many Bonvoy points can you earn by meeting the minimum spending requirement within the first few months? Big bonus tip here. Make sure you can organically meet that spend without overspending. Applying is straightforward. Visit the American Express Canada website and find the Marriott Bonvoy card you want. Fill in the application with accurate information, your personal details, income, and employment history. Be honest. Once approved, download the Marriott Bonvoy app to manage your points, track your free night awards, and explore upcoming stays. The app is your best friend for maximizing your card benefits. Remember, earn points on every purchase, especially at Marriott properties. Use your card strategically for everyday spending and watch those points accumulate faster. Redeeming points for free nights, room upgrades, and unique experiences will let you make the most of your travel points. So, go ahead, explore the Marriott Bonvoy credit card options in Canada and start your journey towards amazing travel rewards. Be sure to check the description below for helpful links.